Good afternoon, everybody. We've got Rebecca here and Jenny. Lucy's recording. We thought we'd take advantage of me having a good hair day because I've just been over at Rachel at Voodoo getting my hair done. And well, Rebecca always looks fabulous. She's not got any polish on her, so we thought it was a good opportunity. And rather than me trying to sell you stuff today around the shop, which I would love to do, I have got some questions that we've been asked quite a lot on social media. So I thought, well, rather than asking them individually, we will answer them here together. So the first question is, I'm going on holiday, I want to take waterproof jewellery, what do we suggest? We've got a lot of people coming in booking lovely holidays. So first up, I would always say, go on holiday and take your gemstones with you, take your wee beads. I love buying these on holiday, but I also really love creating my wrist to go with the outfits that I'm planning on wearing. So I have a lot of pink in my wardrobe, so I'm loving the pink tourmaline at the moment. Also the welded bracelets, these little infinity bracelets are really good because you can wear them all day, never take them off, so it's a good fun thing, and it also looks really nice with a tan. I've paired it with this gold sunburst cuff. This is gold plated silver, it's an Italian make. It's really lovely, and I just think the boldness of that with the skinniness of the chain and the little beads is really fun. And Rebecca's made me a little beaded bar necklace, so it's the same pink tourmaline beads. And I've got these hoops that are from Tutti and go with absolutely everything. So that's what I'm taking on holiday and what I would suggest you all guys should have. What about you, Rebecca? You were just in Faro.
Yeah, it's just in Portugal. I also go for the gold. I think it's great for being in the sun. I had my T-bar. I was wearing it in the sea. I could just have it on all the time. And I also had some Tutti on as well.
Oh yeah, you love your Tutti too.
I do love Tutti. But yeah, I love all the vintage pieces we've had recently. You can wear it with anything really, so I would say go for that.
I was also going to say that you're quite good at you've got a lovely collection of earrings.
Yeah.
And when you've collected your earrings over the years, but the hooks have got a little bit bent, or they're the costume hooks sometimes. We've put real silver hooks on, or we've put new hooks or back. So I would say before you go, put your little holiday bag together, and if you're needing anything fixed, cleaned, tightened,
yeah, definitely.
Restrung,
and from some people come in with things from charity shops and things.
Yeah.
We can enhance them and you can wear them. It's always good to have a statement earring for going on holiday.
because that's what's fun about holidays. It's bringing all the stuff that you wouldn't wear to your work or at Christmas. You get to wear the fun things. So yeah, cool. So next question, and you maybe are wondering this because you've seen this in the picture. What is welding, Rebecca?
So welding, we've started this recently, and you can have an experience here by yourself, with a person, with a group. We have a selection of chains that you can choose from, gold, white gold, silver, and you get these fitted to your wrist and then welded using our laser here. We can also do custom fitted anklets and necklaces. They won't be welded on, but they'll have a clasp on. But it's having a piece of jewellery, say you find bracelets that don't fit or anything, and you can have them fitted to your wrist, or come in, and I've had some really lovely appointments with some of our lovely customers with friends for permanent friendship bracelets. And it's just a really nice piece of jewellery to have on, and like we said, you can just have it on and you don't have to think about all your jewellery.
I've had so many couples come out as well. Definitely something the boys can get involved in.
They've all been really happy with theirs.
Lucy's going to get her boyfriend and sure. Yeah, but I mean, even just the length of a chain. I've got a chain that was my granny's. It's that we shortened with the welding machine because it was too long for me. Yeah, so anything custom fit sized bracelets, necklaces, anklets, or permanent friendship bracelets is really nice. Okay, what earrings are good for a wedding? And I don't always think this is just for the bride.
Yes, because I was bridesmaid recently. I had a pair actually from here. We had these little lovely hairband baby there.
If you
They're
hold them up,
lovely.
you can see the size of them.
They were gorgeous.
Just a nice wee bit of movement to them as well.
And a sparkle. We've also had these ones here, which have been really lovely, with some different shapes in.
Like imitation diamonds. So
Really gorgeous. And we've made some up as well with some pearls. We love a pearl. Love a
Love
pearl.
a pearl.
wedding.
In fact, all the ones that I've pulled today are all got a wee pearl accent, so these are tooty. I've got these as well, and they just sort of cuff the ear and the pearl drops. Fab! I mean,
Yeah,
so
really
nice
like
with everything. I wear them almost every day. And then these are really blingy. These are from Screen Pretty, and they're styled as well. There's a little matching tragus cuff as well. So they look really, really nice. I mean, you wouldn't be walking along Boredock High Street on a Wednesday with these, but if you're going to the races or a wedding, the pearls sort of daytime and the sparkle takes you tonight. We love that. And then these are really fun. Rebecca's been making a whole range where it's almost like threaded. So the ear, the chain goes right the way through the ear, and then you can see how it hangs with a lot of movement. So if you're not really into the sparkle, a single drop pearl is really, really stunning. So come in, show us your dress, show us your outfit, we'll help you style it. I don't like too much earring if you're wearing a hat.
Yeah, we've changed some things about for people.
Uh-huh.
Colour matched hats as well.
Yeah, we have colour
Really good.
match with beads and pearls.
Definitely.
So
If you want
these
more of a
ones-
vintagey vibe
Yeah.
or more
I mean, there's
white.
some things you can always make with your own pearls too. Come in. We'd love to style you up, whether you're the bride, the mother of the bride, a bridesmaid, a fabby guest. Can't wait.
Definitely. It's exciting times. So.
Yeah. And we work with Voodoo over the road as well, so they've got a makeup service and a blow dry hair styling service, so we like to help you all between the two shops, and Lucy's in both shops as well, so she can help you with anything if you want something for the hair. Lastly, we have what do we charge for engraving? How much do we charge? It's one of our lovely customers. Are you okay to have a wee browse while we just finish this? We've got 5 minutes.
Just don't ask me to be there.
She's happy with it. You're lovely. Yeah, so how much do we charge for engraving and what do we engrave?
So with our pieces, our engravable collection, we don't charge anything. We have stacker bracelets that we make up with little charms. Usually we'd say an initial or maybe a couple initials on these. And then we also have some bigger pieces like our tree of life. We can fit usually the whole family on there.
Longer names and things.
Longer names.
Maybe sometimes like the grandchildren on one side and the kids on the other. So
Some handwriting, we're able to scan it in and put that on. That's a really nice thing to get engraved as well. With
stick families.
Stick families, that's always classic. Or we've also done ones where the letters going around the desk.
Oh,
So
really
really pretty
exciting.
designs there.
There's loads of companies doing personalised jewellery online, so if you see something or see a cool font or a layout of letters, we can do that. Like Rebecca's really, really good, and we do it all here, so we can show you the layout on the computer, and then we can just get the computer sent over. So it can all be done usually the same day, unless we're really trying to get a job finished to the back, because we can do it usually the same day. But always excited to have a wee new design.
Yes, new ideas. Some people bring some really cool ideas as well. So yeah, it was fun to do.
Perfect. And lastly, gold plated. Will it turn my neck green?
We have really good gold.
We have really good gold plated, so no, it would just get lighter over time.
Especially children.
So thank you for watching, and we happy to answer any more questions. Leave them below.